Are you looking for the top 5 best fabric softeners for a fresh feel? Tired of that rough, scratchy feeling from your laundry? Here are the 5 best fabric softeners I found and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Bounce Pet Hair Guard. First up is the Bounce Pet Hair and Lint Guard Mega Dryer Sheets, priced at $12.97. What really caught my attention here is its promise of 3x pet hair repelling power, which is a must-have for pet owners. If you want to keep your laundry fur-free while enjoying a fresh scent, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These dryer sheets are designed to combat pet hair effectively, which is crucial when you know those little fur balls can cling to your clothes. Plus, they're hypoallergenic and perfume-free, making them great for sensitive skin. Each mega sheet is double the size of regular ones, giving you more coverage per load. 180 sheets total means you're set for a while. With over 40,000 units sold last month, it's clear people are loving this for their laundry needs. Now, some people complained about the scent being too light for their preference. Here's the thing though, for those with allergies or sensitive skin, this unscented feature is a major plus. It allows you to enjoy fresh laundry without irritation, so it's not a deal breaker for most. This is perfect for you if you have pets and struggle with hair on your clothes. Skip this one if you want a strong fragrance, as it's designed for those who prefer a lighter touch. Given its effectiveness against pet hair, I'd say it's a good value for the price. Now, if that scent issue bothered you, the next one might just be what you're looking for.
Product number 2. Handy Laundry Wool Dryer Balls. Next up, we have the Handy Laundry Wool Dryer Balls, priced at $12.99. What caught my attention is that these are made from 100% New Zealand wool, which not only helps with softening, but also reduces drying time significantly. If you want an eco-friendly, reusable option, this is worth a serious look. These dryer balls do more than just soften your clothes. They help separate your laundry, allowing hot air to circulate better. This can reduce your drying time by up to 25%, which means saving on energy bills. Plus, they're chemical-free, making them a healthier alternative to traditional fabric softeners. With over 30,000 units sold last month, it's clear that many are opting for this natural solution. Now, some users noted that these balls can sometimes get stuck together in the dryer. I'll be real with you, it can be a little annoying, but a quick shake can usually separate them. For most people, the benefits of reduced drying time and softness outweigh this minor issue. This is perfect for you if you want a sustainable, long-lasting option for your laundry. Skip this one if you prefer liquid softeners or dryer sheets, as these require a different approach. Overall, they provide great value, especially if you're looking to cut down on drying time. Alright, that was a solid choice, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who love a calming scent.
Product number 3. Downy Calm Mega Sheets. Our third product is the Downy Calm Mega Dryer Sheets, retailing for $11.67. The combination of lavender and vanilla bean scents truly caught my attention. If you want your laundry to smell heavenly while feeling soft, this is worth a serious look. These dryer sheets are not just about the fragrance. They help fight static cling and add softness to your fabrics. The long-lasting scent can turn your laundry routine into a soothing experience. Plus, they serve as a great pet hair and lint helper, which adds to their functionality. With 180 sheets in a pack and 10,000 units sold last month, many users are clearly loving this product. However, one downside is that some people mentioned they didn't feel the sheets were as effective against static as expected. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a balance of scent and softness, this might still be a good fit. It could be that they work better in combination with other static-reducing products. This is perfect for you if you enjoy a calming laundry scent and soft fabrics. Skip this one if you primarily need heavy-duty static protection, as it might not meet those expectations. For the price, they offer good value, especially for those who enjoy fragrance. Next up, if you're looking for something more traditional, let's check out the classic Downy sheets.
Product number 4. Downy April Fresh. Now, let's talk about the Downy Fabric Softener Dryer Sheets in April Fresh, costing $9.94. What really stands out here is the long-lasting scent that keeps your clothes smelling fresh. If you want a classic option that's easy to use, this is worth a serious look. These sheets effectively fight static cling while softening your fabrics. They're straightforward. Just toss one into the dryer and you're good to go. They come in a pack of 240 sheets, making them a great value for frequent users. With 10,000 sold last month, it's clear this classic choice remains popular. However, some users pointed out that they found the scent too overpowering. Here's the thing. If you enjoy a stronger fragrance in your laundry, this won't be an issue. But if you prefer something more subtle, you might want to consider other options. This is perfect for you if you love a fresh scent and want a tried and true product. Skip this one if you're sensitive to strong fragrances or looking for a hypoallergenic option. Considering the quantity and effectiveness, it's a solid value. Now, let's move on to a fantastic option for those with sensitive skin who prefer no scents.
Product number 5, Bounce Free and Gentle. Finally, we have Bounce Free and Gentle dryer sheets, priced at $13.69. The unscented feature really grabbed my attention here, especially for those with sensitive skin. If you want a hypoallergenic option without dyes or perfumes, this is worth a serious look. These sheets are dermatologist tested and designed to be gentle on sensitive skin. They help reduce wrinkles and static cling, making your clothes look neat and tidy after every dry cycle. With a mega count of 330 sheets, you won't run out anytime soon. Many users appreciate that it's safe for their skin, hence the high demand. On the downside, some users mentioned they didn't find them as effective for static cling as scented options. But here's the thing. If you're prioritizing skin safety over fragrance, this shouldn't deter you. They still do a solid job of softening your fabrics without any irritants. This is perfect for you if you have sensitive skin and want a reliable fabric softener. Skip this one if you're looking for a strong scent, as it's completely unscented. For the price and quantity, it's a great value for those who need gentle solutions. All right, that wraps up our list. Let's dive into a quick comparison of all 5 options. To quickly recap, we have Bounce Pet Hair Guard for pet owners, Handy Laundry Wool Balls for eco-friendly users, Downy Calm Mega Sheets for scent lovers, Classic Downy April Fresh for those who prefer traditional options, and Bounce Free and Gentle for sensitive skin. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Downy Calm Mega Sheets because of its amazing scent and softness that adds a calming touch to laundry day. However, I'd recommend avoiding Handy Laundry Wool Balls if you dislike the idea of a different softening method than sheets. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.